What's up guys, Sal here. So we're just hours away from the Unpacked event, which means the Mega Unpacked leak is here. We have real hands-on leaks of both the Galaxy Z Fold 5, Z Flip 5, which also shows their crease, tons of official leaks, pre-order info and much more. So let's get right into it. Starting with the Galaxy Z Flip 5, someone uploaded a video of the Z Flip 5 and quickly took it down. But the internet managed to grab some screenshots which reveals the phone's big cover screen, its new gapless hinge and some widgets for the cover screen. It also shows the crease of the Z Flip 5 for the very first time, and from this angle you can't even see it, which is awesome. But another image shows that it's slightly visible, but there's certainly a huge improvement compared to the Flip 4. The Z Flip 5 is surely gonna be the star of the show, and the improvements will make sure Samsung will sell tons of these units. We also have a hands-on photo of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and its rear camera. It looks identical to the Fold 4 except for that flash placement. There are not many changes here compared to the Fold 4, and even Samsung knows this, and that's why they're comparing it with the Z Fold 3 and not the Fold 4. To be honest, the best thing about the Z Fold 5 apart from its new hinge is this case that holds the S Pen flushed unlike previous implementations. Fortunately, you can get it for free if you pre-order the phone along with the Buds 2, 25-watt charger and Samsung Care Plus plan. In addition to this, you'll also get free storage upgrade. The Z Flip 5 has the same pre-order benefit. You also have more images of the Watch 6 Classic and oh boy, doesn't it look amazing. The bezels are thinner and the color combination of the strap and the watch head looks beautiful too. It also has a personalized heart rate zone and advanced sleep tracking. To be honest, I'm more excited about the Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic than the foldables. By the way, you'll get this fabric strap for free if you pre-order the Watch 6 Classic. Subscribe for more updates and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.